Next, we are going to see about conversion of fractional number, that is fractional decimal, to binary. Fractional in the sense um, 2.3 or 1.4. This we call it as fractional decimal. In this is integral part and this one is decimal part. So listen, this is integer part, sorry, integer part, and this one is decimal part. After point it is a decimal, so it is decimal part. You have to clear in this. Once you are clear, this conversion is very easy. Listen, the method of repeated multiplication by 2 has to be used to convert such kind of decimal fractions. Multiply the decimal fraction by 2. First multiply by 2 and note integer part. The integer part is either 0 or 1. Discuss the integer part of the previous product. Multiply the fractional part of the previous product. Repeat the step 1 until the terminates. The resulting integer part forms a sequence of zeros and ones that become the binary equivalent of decimal fraction. The final answer is to be written from left first integer part obtained, that is from above to below. Last class we have seen that you have to convert it from most significant bit, that is from downwards to upwards. See, most significant bit to least significant bit, but here it is from top to bottom. This must be very clear. The fraction repeats the product same as the first step. So now we are going to convert 0.2 to binary. Okay, so binary has only two values, 0 and 1. For this, you are going to multiply 0.2 by 2, which gives you the result 0.4. Make this 0 here and write alone the decimal part, that is 0.4. Again multiply by 2. Write this 0 here and make 8 and make the decimal integer part or decimal part 0.8 and again multiply by 2. Now you will get 1 here. Now 1 has to be taken here and you have to write 1d 0.6. Is it clear? You should not write 1.6. It has to be on the decimal part, that is 0.6. Again you are going to multiply it by 2. So 0. So 1.2, 1 has to be written here, 2. So the process will repeat, right? You have to stop it here. That is what they have said. See, repeat step 1 until the same fraction repeats, until the same fraction 0 0.4, 0 0.4. So the last 0 then have to write it here. Now we are going to write its fraction, that is 0 point, you have to mention the point 0 0.00110 and it goes on. Next, convert the following decimal number to its equivalent binary. This is your homework. Try to convert the following decimal numbers to its equivalent binary numbers. Binary to x decimal value, that is zeros and ones to decimal value 0 point something. To convert binary to decimal, we can use positional notation method. Write down the binary digits and list the powers of 2 from right to left. For each position notation, written the digit. Now write the equivalent weight. Multiply each digit with its corresponding weight and all the values. Okay. So 111011. It is given 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power value for it. 1, 1. From the left you have to write 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So add 32 plus 16. You have to take what are the values of 1 alone. 32, 16, 8. 32 plus 16, 48 plus 8, 56 plus 2, 58 plus 1, 59. The value is 59. Is it clear? We are going to add the values of 1 alone. Binary to octal. So zeros and ones to 8 value. Group the given binary number into 3 bits from right to left. Okay, you can add preceding 0 to make a group of 3 bits if the leftmost group has less than 3 bits. Okay, convert equivalent octal value using 2's power positional method. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Convert 11010 binary to octal value. We have to first split it into 3 values. Okay, so 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, that is 4, 2, 1. For first number you have to put used 1 and 2, last digit is 0 for first value. It is 4 plus 2, 6. This value is 6. Next 0, 1, 0 value is 2. And next 0, 1, 1 value is 3. Answer is 326. Okay, this is what you are going to convert. 326. Next one, binary to hexadecimal. Same procedure, but here we are going to convert it as 4 digits. First 4, next 4, and last 2 is remaining. So we are going to add extra 2. Okay, this corresponding value 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. You are going to add the values of alone, 1 which is 1 used, so 3 plus 4, so 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, value is D, 4 to 6, 3D6. That's it, very easy. This can be asked in 5 mark questions also, so you have to solve it properly. Fractional binary to decimal equivalent. Follow the steps to convert the fractional binary number into its decimal equivalent. Convert integral part of binary to decimal equivalent using positional notation method. To convert fractional part of binary to its decimal method step, write down the binary digits to fractional part. For all the digits, write power of 2 from left to right starting from 2 power minus 1. Write its equivalent weight. Multiply each digit with its corresponding weight. Add all the values which you obtain in step 2.3. Listen. 2 power minus 1, 0.5. You are going to find out these values. To get the final answer, write the integral part followed by the decimal part, and the answer is at 2.4. Listen. Convert the given binary numbers into its decimal equivalent. So this we can write, no issue in it. 3. In decimal part, you are going to convert it as 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. Okay. Value of 2 power minus 1 is 0.5, which you are going to multiply it by 0. 2 power minus 2 is 0.25, which you are going to multiply it by 1. And again 2 power minus 3 is 0.125. Again you are going to multiply it by 1 because value is After multiplying, you are going to add with 3. The answer is 3.375. This is also your homework which you can convert very easily. Next, octal to decimal conversion. Write down the octal digits in the list of powers of 8 from left to right, and for each position notation, write its digit equivalent to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 6, 5, which can converted into, listen, add 512 plus 64 plus 8 plus 1, 10, 14, 15, 7, 8. Given number is 1, 2. Okay. So maximum value obtained is 585. So conversion to decimal. This procedure is wrong. First listen. So value is used given as 5, 6, 2, 1. So going to multiply 5 by 1, 6 with 8, and 2 with 64, 5 and 2 with 1, and then you are going to add. This is its equivalent octal value, decimal value, octal to decimal conversion. Next, octal to binary, that is zeros and ones. Write its corresponding decimal value, that is for 6 110, for 2 0 1 0, for 1001, for 3011. Combine this and write. This is important. 2 denotes it is binary. Here 10 denotes it is decimal. Again you have to try this out. Next, hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. Again positional value, and you have to multiply it with its corresponding value which is given. So listen. Convert 25f, value of 16, 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 square. Multiply 2 with 256, which is 512, I suppose. 512. 5 by 16, 80. 256 plus 80 plus 15, which is its equivalent is 607 decimal value. Hexadecimal to binary. Now you are going to convert it with zeros and ones alone. 8, value of 8 is 1000. B, it's 11. 8, 11. C, 12. 8 plus 4. So is it 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So this is what that is. 8, 4, 2, 1. We're going to add. Okay, next one. Convert the following into hexadecimal. Binary representation for signed numbers. So signed numbers is negative and positive. That's what you're using. Computers can handle both positive and negative numbers. The simplest positive means unsigned numbers. For positive, you are not going to give any sign. For negative, you are going to give minus. The simplest method to represent the negative binary numbers is called signed magnitude. Two more question. In signed magnitude method, the leftmost bit is most significant bit is called sign bit or parity bit. The numbers are represented in computers in different ways. Signed magnitude representation. One's complement, two's complement, signed magnitude representation. So first, signed magnitude representation. The value of the whole number can be determined by using sign. If the number has plus, it is positive, or no sign, it is positive. If it is as negative, minus symbol, it is negative. See for example, plus or without sign indicates it's a positive number, and minus indicates it's a negative number. In signed binary representation, the leftmost bit is considered as sign bit. If this bit is 0, in binary conversion, the leftmost bit is considered as sign bit. If this bit is 0, that is 0 indicates positive number, this bit is 1, it indicates negative number. Therefore, assigned number binary number has 8 bits. Only 7 bits used for storing values, and the first bit is used for sign. 43 is representing the memory as first bit is 9 bit, remaining is the value of 43. See, for negative 43 it is 1 and the value remains same. Okay, next, one's complement, two's complement. One's complement is its um, reciprocal, like that. So listen, this is for negative numbers only. The number whose most significant is 1 deserves to be followed as one's complement of a number. Convert given decimal into binary. Check if the binary number contains 8 bits. If less, add 0 or at the leftmost bit to make it as 8 bits. Invert all bits, change 1 as 0 and 0 as 1. You see, 0 is 1, 0 to 1, 1 as 0. That is what happened here. Okay, minus 24. Value is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Means one's complement is alternate to this. Instead of 0, you are going to write 1. Instead of 1, you are going to write it as 0. Next one is 2's complement. 2's complement, the method of negative number is as follows. Invert all the bits in the binary sequence and add 1 to the result to the least significant bit, that is at last. Value of plus 24 is 110000. Going to convert it as 8-bit format, 00011000. Next, one's complement is, instead of 0 you are going to write it as 1, and instead of 1 you are going to write it as 0, that is one's complement, and add to the left significant bit, which is here. We are going to add 1. So listen, 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. After adding 1 it will become 0 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. This is the value of 2's complement of minus 24. This is also your homework. Next one is binary addition. As decimal numbers, the binary numbers also possess computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The following session deals only with binary addition and subtraction. So binary addition. 0 plus 0, which gives you 0, 0 plus 1 gives you 1, 1 plus 0 gives you 1, and 1 plus 1 gives you 0, and carry as 1. That it being as 10 is considered as a sum as 0 and the carry as 1. So listen, binary value indicates it is 2, indicates it is a binary value. 1 0, I'm going to add 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. So we have seen 1 plus 1 is 0 and its carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, its carry is 1 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, its carry is 1. Its corresponding binary value. Perform the binary addition for the 23 and 12. 23 1 0 1 1 1 23. For 12 1 1 0 0. So you can put 0. You can't leave as 5 bit. Once you have to mention it as 8 bits. So 3 zeros should be added. Okay. 1 1 0 carry 1 0 carry 1 0 carry 1 0 0. So 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. Is it clear? Next, binary subtraction is very important. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 makes a difference as 1, but it has to be borrow 1 from before. Okay, like normal mathematical addition, you are going to borrow 1 before. Right, listen. Subtract 100, subtract 100, 1010 from 00101. Okay, so first thing, 0, 1. For this, you are going to carry 10 minus 1 is 1, 0. Again, it will become 10, it will become 1, and it will become 0. So 1, 1, 0. The answer is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Perform binary addition for the following. So for negative 21, first you are going to find the value of 21. Value of 21 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. For 21, you are going to take 2's complement. First, you are going to take 1's complement and add 1 to last part. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. That's it. So after adding this, you will get its corresponding result. Sign is for normal addition subtraction 21 plus 5, you will get answer as minus 16. So write this and verify whether this will give you 16. This one is your homework. Representing characters in memory. As represented in introduction, all the input data given to the computer should be in understandable format. In general, 26 uppercase letter, 26 lowercase letter, 0 to 9 digits special characters are used in computer, which is called a character set. All these characters, all these characters set are denoted through numbers only. All characters in character set needs a common encoding system. There are several encoding systems used for computer. Binary coded decimal, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, Unicode, Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. Binary Coded Decimal. This encoding system is not in the right place now. This is 2 power 6 bit encoding system. This can handle 2 power 6, which is equal to 64 characters only. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Most popular encoding system recognized by United States. Most of the computers use this system. Remember, this encoding system can handle English characters only. This can handle 2 power 7 bit, which means 128 characters. In this system, each character has individual number. The new addition ASCII 8 has 2 power 8 bits and can handle 256 characters represented from 0 to 255 unique numbers. The ASCII code is equivalent to uppercase letter A is 65. Binary representation of ASCII is 7-bit 001, also is 8-bit code. Extended binary coded decimal interchange. This is similar to ASCII code, 8-bit representation formulated by Indian business International Business Machine. The coding system can handle 256 characters. The input code in ASCII can be converted to epidic system and vice versa. That is extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Indian standard code for information interchange. 8-bit coding system. Local languages can be used. 256 characters. Department of Electronics in India in the year 1986 to 1988 and recognized by Bureau of Indian Standards. Now this coding system is integrated with Unicode. Unicode. This coding system is used in most of the modern computers. The popular coding scheme after ASCII is Unicode. ASCII can represent only 256 characters. Therefore, English and European languages alone can be handled by ASCII. Particularly, there was a situation when the languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, and Telugu could not be represented by ASCII. Hence, Unicode was generated to handle all the coding system of universal languages. This is 16-bit code and can handle 6,500 65,000 536 characters. Unicode scheme is denoted by hexadecimal numbers. Unicode table of Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada is shown. Unicode system. This is its Unicode. 0B9 and its value is 0B90. Unicode and its character. Just go through this. For Telugu and Kannada. And for alphabets, decimal value by its binary number, octal and hexadecimal. So go through it for numbers. Decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal, and for special characters. Okay, with this your chapter 2 is over.